All right, hope you guys are doing well. Today, we're going to continue on with the same thing that we did yesterday. I want to move on to a new topic here. So I thought today we'd do just two quick examples of factoring trinomials with coefficients that are not equal to 1. So same thing we did yesterday, just to give it a little extra practice because it is a fairly difficult topic. Although those of you guys that have been doing the quizzes online, been doing a really good job. Hopefully I can get some more of you guys to participate in that. So remember, we have a quadratic function here. We do not have a GCF, and we're going to try and factor this. So we're going to use the slip and slide method. We're going to take our 3 and we're going to multiply it by the 5 at the end here. So this is going to leave us with p squared minus 2p minus 15. Now at this point we have a trinomial with a coefficient of 1. Once we have that, we can use our x method off to the side here. We put our last number on the top, negative 15, our middle coefficient on the bottom of negative 2, and we're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 15 but add to negative 2. In this case, that's going to be negative 5 and positive 3. So I'm going to be left with p minus 5 times p plus 3. And now I need to slide that 3 back in. Now 5 divided by 3, can't really do much there. I can't reduce that at all, and 3 definitely does not go into 5 evenly. So I'm just going to pop this 3 right up front here. So this will be 3p minus 5. Now with this one, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we get sort of lucky here, and this is just going to be p plus 1. And this will be our answer. Remember, if you have time, definitely check that out and make sure that it comes back to the original quadratic that we had if you multiply that out. All right, so one more quick example and I'll get you out of here. So this one is 9x squared plus 66x plus 21. I purposely put this example on here to remind you that even though we have a quadratic and we have a coefficient greater than 1, we don't want to just jump to do slip and slide right away. If possible, still take out a GCF first. So in this case, if I look, I have a 9, a 66, and a 21. I can take a 3 out of there. And when I do that, I'm left with 3x squared, positive 22x, and a positive 7. So my GCF is now out there. I'm just going to leave that out here. And now, again, I do have a trinomial that has a coefficient that's not equal to 1. So I'm going to use my slip and slide. I'm going to multiply my 3 times my 7. This 3, again, just comes along. So I've got x squared plus 22x plus 21. Now trinomial with a coefficient of 1. So I'm going to do my x method off to the side here. 21 and 22. Two numbers that multiply to 21 and add to 22. That's going to be 21 and 1. So this will be 3 on the outside still. X plus 21. X plus 1. And we're going to slide this 3 back in. So we're going to divide both of these here by 3. Our first term here, 21 divided by 3, goes in nice and evenly, so we're left with x plus 7. And this one, I can't do anything with 1/3, so I'm going to pop this 3 so it's up front. So we're going to have 3x plus 1. And so our answer will become 3 times x plus 7 times 3x plus 1. All right, hopefully you guys found this helpful and are feeling more confident with trinomials that have a coefficient not equal to 1.